Welcome to my newest listing in lovely Dana Point. As you come down the sidewalk, you pass by these gorgeous avocado trees that are often laden with avocados. This home is actually a duplex. It's got a front unit that's 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and a back unit that's 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Let's go in and take a look. As you enter the home, you're greeted by this cozy fireplace. The living room also features crown molding, fresh white paint, and practically brand new luxury vinyl plank. It opens over into the dining room as well. The dining room has big windows to let in lots of natural light, and it also has a new ceiling fan. The large kitchen has been beautifully remodeled with newer white shaker cabinets, white quartz, a great backsplash, and it's even got new stainless steel appliances. Within the kitchen, you also have full-size washer and dryer hidden behind these doors. Just imagine enjoying a cozy fire right here in the front yard. You're very privately secluded because you've got all these avocado trees shielding you from the street. And if you like avocado trees, you are going to have a big harvest just waiting for you. The second unit sits directly behind the front unit, and you've got one flight of stairs going up to it, but it's also very private because the units don't directly touch each other on the same level. Let's go up and see the inside. The back unit is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit. Here we are in the living room that has vaulted ceilings, and it also has lots of windows for natural light. You can also have a little peekaboo view of the ocean from up here. The kitchen is beautifully updated with bar seating for 3 people very comfortably. It's got the open concept from the kitchen into the living room. Even though it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, you still have full-size appliances, stainless steel dishwasher, oven and range, and a microwave, as well as the refrigerator. And you also have your own private laundry tucked away inside of a closet. The second unit has its own private space here in the back, dedicated exclusively for the use of those tenants. You've got space for a fire pit, dining area, and it's fenced, so it's perfect for pets too. This area in Dana Point is so hot. It's called the Lantern District, and the Dana Point Harbor is undergoing extensive renovations to the tune of over $600 million, creating beautiful new shops, restaurants, and hotels. This area is increasing in value all the time, and it's a great investment. Come and check it out today before it's too late.